Hi everybody, in this video we're talking about how to fix your neck pain after whiplash injury from a car accident. We'll go through 22 do's and don'ts to help you recover from this kind of neck pain, as well as other symptoms that you might be feeling after whiplash. Welcome to the Health How-To channel, where we talk about some great life hacks and easy tips to achieve better health. Please subscribe and share your best tips that you have found to be helpful for relieving neck pain from whiplash so that we can all benefit in our own personal journey to better health. So you've been in a car accident and you thought you were okay, but your neck has been getting more and more painful and stiff as the days go by. Why? Well, this is actually quite common after a car accident. The surge in adrenaline from the initial shock can protect you from initial feelings of pain after your neck injury. But as the adrenaline starts to decrease, your awareness of the pain starts to increase over the course of the week. So, assuming you've been checked over by your doctor first, here are 22 do's and don'ts to help you recover from whiplash. Number 1, don't use a neck brace. It restricts your movement and can lead to more pain and stiffness in the long run. Number 2, do use a rolled towel to support the arch of your neck when you're lying on your back or sitting back on a couch. Number 3, do cut down on your screen time. After a car accident, all neck movements can feel painful, especially looking down. Get into the habit of using a phone holder that is raised to eye level or hold your phone up high. After a few weeks have passed, you may find that your neck gets stiff and tired easily. That's because the postural muscles in your neck that are meant to hold your head up all day are weak from the whiplash. Set regular breaks to force yourself to change positions every 10 to 15 minutes. Ideally, you want to change positions before your neck gets stiff and painful. Number 4, do use a microwavable heating pad for deep, moist heat for 20 minutes before doing your exercises. You can use it 2 to 3 times a day, depending how bad your neck pain is. Number 5, do move your neck to the end range. Turn your head to look all the way over your shoulder. Bring your ear down to your shoulder. Pull your head back to make a double chin. From that position, do a chin nod as if you're saying yes. Number 6, do look up and arch backwards frequently. Support your neck with your hands to make this feel more comfortable. Number 7, do backward shoulder rolls throughout the day to loosen up your trapezius muscles and increase muscle blood flow for better healing. Number 8, do your exercises in the morning, but when you're in the shower. Often after whiplash, your neck will feel really stiff when you wake up. Have a nice hot shower and focus on doing your neck circles and shoulder rolls to loosen up your spine and stretch those muscles that have been in the same position all night. Number 9, do your neck stretches before bed so that you can get a better night's sleep. Stretching your neck will help you unwind after a stressful day as well. Number 10, do get a supportive pillow. Speaking of getting a good night's sleep, consider getting a firmer pillow after car accident. A whiplash can cause your ligaments that join bone to bone to get overstretched and muscle fibers to have micro tears, leading to a feeling of neck instability. You may find that small movements cause a jolt of sharp pain. A firmer, contoured pillow can help you sleep through the night. Check out our videos for more information on how to choose the best pillow that's right for you. Number 11, don't sleep on your stomach. Sleeping on your stomach is the worst position for your neck because your neck is stuck in a rotated position for too long. Try lying on your back or on your side instead, which keeps your spine more in a neutral position. Number 12, do walk daily and swing your arms evenly. As your neck continues to improve, try to increase your pace to get your heart pumping and increase your blood flow for better healing. Number 13, do be mindful of your posture. Check your posture frequently. Avoid slouching and poking your head forwards, even though it might feel better at that moment. Watch our posture videos for more tips. Number 14, do strengthen your neck muscles. The most important tip for long-term success after whiplash is to strengthen the muscles that got strained. Your small neck muscles have the mighty job of supporting your head from the time you get up to the time you lay down. Your head can weigh an average of 11 pounds or 5 kilograms when you are sitting or standing straight. Once you start bending your head down, your neck muscles have to work harder as the gravitational force increases. When you are looking all the way down like being slouched over your phone, your neck muscles need to be able to support an average of 60 pounds. That's the weight of a mini fridge, by the way. And that's why you need to continually exercise to train your muscle strength and endurance. Here's a gentle neck strengthening exercise sequence to start with. Begin by lying on the floor and pushing the back of your head into the floor for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Next, turn your head to the right and push back for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Turn your head to the left and repeat. Next, do a chin nod where you push your head back and nod your head like you're saying yes. Then, keep that chin nod and lift your head off the floor and hold that for 5 seconds. Next, keep your chin down, lift your head off the floor and rotate your head to the right. Hold that position for 5 seconds. Finally, turn onto your stomach and lift your head off the floor while still looking down at the floor. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. Then turn your head to the right, lift up your head again, and hold again for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. As this gets easier, increase the number of seconds you hold the position for and the number of repetitions. Number 15. Do exercise in the car. If you find that driving gives you neck and upper back pain, push your head into your headrest and push your upper back and shoulders into the car seat every time you reach a stop sign or a red light. This will help develop your muscle endurance that you need when driving for longer periods of time. Number 16. Do exercise your upper back and your shoulders. Yoga poses like downward and upward dog, thread the needle, and pec stretches can really help eliminate the stiffness. Number 17. Do be aware of concussion symptoms after whiplash. Look out for symptoms like headache, brain fog, memory loss, dizziness, feeling off balance, and or changes in your vision or hearing. You don't have to hit your head to get a concussion. A hard jolt to the shoulders can sometimes be enough to shake your brain, especially if you've had a concussion before. Check out our video on how to recover from a concussion for more information. Number 18. Do chin nod exercises if you're getting headaches. Sit up nice and tall, pull your head back as if you're making a double chin, then tip your chin down like you're squeezing a pencil under your chins. You want to feel the stretch at the base of your neck where your hairline ends. Hold for 10 seconds and repeat 5 times. This is a great one to do while you're working at a computer. Number 19. Do consider seeing a vestibular physiotherapist if you're dizzy. Sometimes one single session can clear out those loose crystals in your ear canal and stop your dizziness immediately. Sometimes a few more sessions are needed if your vision is also affected. Number 20. Do consider changing the settings on your monitor, especially if you're getting headaches or eye strain after your whiplash. Try enlarging the font and setting your screen to nighttime mode to eliminate the blue light. Number 21. Do get a separate monitor or keyboard if you're using a laptop. Put your monitor or laptop up on a stack of books so that it is at eye level. Consider getting a sit-to-stand desk. And finally, number 22. Do be patient when healing from your whiplash injury. There's a tremendous amount of energy transfer when a car hits you. Unlike, say, if you sleep the wrong way and wake up with a stiff neck. It's just not the same thing. Recovery from whiplash can take anywhere from a few weeks for a minor fender bender to a couple of years for a serious car accident. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any health how-to videos where we talk about easy ways to improve your health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.